What if I told you that there's a Southeast Asian tribe that has mastered something so incredible that us normal humans can't do? In the vast waters of some parts of Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines, there is a tribe called the Sama-Bajau, or also known as sea nomads, and they are known for their superhuman abilities. Their skills are nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine being able to hold your breath underwater for around 13 minutes, diving to depths of around 200 feet without any modern equipment. This ability to stay submerged for such long periods allows them to hunt for fish and gather resources from the ocean floor. But how did they achieve this skill that enables them to push the boundaries of human capability and navigate the seas with ease? To truly understand, we need to travel back thousands of years, where their journey began with their ancestors. The tribe traveled from place to place in the waters of Southeast Asia and lived on houseboats. As seafaring people, they have been living off the sea by trading and fishing. Soon after that, they would keep their homes close to shore by building houses on stilts while still traveling by using handmade boats. The tribe was first recorded by European explorers in 1521 during the Magellan Elcano expedition, the first voyage around the world in human history. Over the centuries, the tribe's unique way of life has played an important role in their genetic evolution. The constant exposure to the sea and reliance on diving for food gradually shaped their bodies and developed a genetic advantage. Their diving reflex, an automatic response that slows down the heart rate and redirects blood flow to vital organs when submerged, became more striking, allowing them to stay underwater for extended periods of time. A study showed that the average spleen of a Bajau person, an organ that helps support the immune system and recycle red blood cells, was 50% bigger than the same organ of an individual from the Indonesian mainland. The study also found a gene that controls thyroid hormone levels, as well as other genes that have evolved in the tribe that controls blood vessel constriction and regulate carbon dioxide balance in the blood. These genes are important for oxygen conservation and the ability to hold their breaths underwater, according to researchers. Along with years of underwater training, these genetic adaptations likely developed over generations of living in an aquatic environment. And since diving is an everyday activity, the Bajau ruptured their eardrums at an early age, and the reasoning for this is so that they can dive without pain. And surprisingly, older people have a hard time hearing. This shows how humans can amazingly adapt their bodies to their environment, and over thousands of years, the Sama-Bajau has been an example of this. Unfortunately, the number of Sama-Bajau who are born and still live at sea is diminishing. Due to modern ways of industrialized fishing and other modern changes, many choose to leave the sea behind and work manual labor in some areas of Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Sadly, as they are sea nomads, they are considered stateless, and as a result of this, they are socially excluded, discriminated, and economically disadvantaged. And without them at sea, the tribe and the lessons they can teach us about the science of genetic adaptation will no longer be possible, and the traditional culture at sea may unfortunately be no longer around.